hit the brake, or power up the vehicle, hit your brake, the system comes on and starts exhausting. Right now you have a remote transmitter in there around your air brake switch. All you got to do is hit the little button on that when you get in the vehicle and turn this on. You don't want to sit here and have it running without us exhausting.
So hit it first, right? So hit it and then start the vehicle.
Yeah, once you do that, it's going to run for 3 minutes, our system. So it's for get up and go. If you're not getting up and going, you have to go and turn it on manually.
Or it's on the box on the wall. Yeah. So he's saying if it's pouring down rain, you want to check your truck out here. You can actually leave it running.
Yeah.
You gotta go there and turn it on manually and stay on. You only hit the button 3 minutes, so we don't need to tell anybody that.
The get up and go is 3 minutes, which is plenty of time for you to come out, start it. Everybody gets in the truck, you leave. It's going to run for 3 minutes. But it won't keep running. You know, once it shuts down, that timer shuts down. You know, it's not going to start back up.
But eventually, you're putting a module. When's the module going in?
I think they said they were going to put it in today or tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So just for now.
And then they're going to send me that switch back.
Okay.
If he hits that button, you can hit the button.
All right. Screwed up already. This is
the light comes on when it's running. So now it's activated for 3 minutes.
when they come out or hit it, or it's
Yeah, they just turn that to manual and it'll run until you turn it back on.
You said that's 10.10 inches.
Yeah, we'll measure it again just to verify that.
Where we have to be in one of those vehicles?
Didn't think about that. Good question.
Didn't think about that one, did we?
Got a new tick for every reserve vehicle?
Don't break the one.
Well, not just that, but what if we're driving one and now all you see is on clearance?
It's actually
It's gotta be
three.
there. Now we
What
don't
is
have
it?
to clear.
Watch your back. He's an officer. He's not a good driver.
That was perfect.
So now when you come in here,
All right, what happens with our reserve vehicles? Do we have something we can temporarily put on a reserve vehicle? Because if this vehicle breaks, we got to go into another unit. What do we do? Nothing?
This system is made for this vehicle or any vehicle that's exactly